Good morning, ma'am. My name is Dixita. Today I'm going to do an experiment that how salt water denser than fresh water. For this experiment, we need 2 glasses filled of water, 2 eggs, spoon and salt. Now I'm going to put the salt into the second glass. And now I'm going to mix until the salt dissolves into water and I'll wait. Now I'm going to put the egg in the first glass. See friends, now the egg sinks into the in the fresh glass. Now I'm going to put the egg into the second glass. See friends, the egg floats in the salt water because fresh water is denser than